Today I'm going to do a quick review of long division. I found that a number of my students who are doing Algebra 2 need a little bit of a refresher when they're doing long division of polynomials. So today I'm just going to cover a little bit of terminology and go through a couple of examples. Firstly, the number that we're dividing by is called the dividend. The number that we're dividing the dividend by is called the divisor. And the answer that you get is the quotient. Okay, so when a question asks you for the quotient, we need to divide. Now let's look at this example. We're going to look at the dividend and work from left to right. So we're going to first consider the 1. Now 3 does not go into 1 because 3 is bigger than 1. So we're going to look at 1, 3, 13. How many times 3 gives you a number that's close to 13 or 13 but under 13? So we know 3, 6, 9, 12. 4. 3 times 4 gives you 12. So we're going to put that under your 13 and subtract that. Okay, 13 minus 12 gives you 1. Bring down your 3. Once again, 4 times 3 gives you 12. Subtract that. That gives you 1. Bring down the 4. 4 times 3 again gives you 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. Bring down your 5. 8 times 3 gives you 24. With a remainder of 1. And you can put it as R1. Let's try this example now with a decimal. Okay, again, we'll work from left to right. So 4 doesn't go into 1, so we're going to look at 10. 4 times what gives you a number that is 10 or close to 10 but not over 10? So 4, 8. That gives me 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract 10 from 8, so you get 2. Bring down your 2. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract that. 22 minus 20 is 2. Bring down your 3. Again, 4 times 5 is 20. Minus. You get 23 minus 20, which is 3. Bring down your 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Minus. That's your 2. Bring down your 5. And 6 times 4 is 24. I'm sorry, I ran out of space there. Minus that. And we're left with 1. We can continue by adding another 0 down there and bringing down our 0. Now, 4 times 2 is 8. And you can continue so on and so forth. But that's optional. And make sure you put your decimal point there. Keep it in the same column so you don't forget where your decimal points are. Okay, let's try a long division 2 digits. So we're going to look at our 11 and our dividend. Look from left to right for our dividend. So 11 cannot go into 2, so we're going to look at 23. 11 goes into 23 2 times because times 11 is 23 minus 22 is 1. Bring down your 5. 11 times 1 is 11. 15 minus 11 is 4. Bring down your 9. 4 times 11 is 44. 49 minus 44 is 5. And let's make it a little bit more challenging. Let's go ahead and put a decimal. So 0.0, that means we're not changing our dividend, but we're making your answer more accurate. Make sure you have your decimal there. 11 times 4 is 44. 50 minus 44 is 6. Gonna add another 0 there. Let's say they want us to work to the nearest 10th, which is 1 decimal place. So we have to work to 2 decimal places to see if we need to round. So 11 times 5 is 55 with a remainder of 5. So because we have 214.45 rounded to 10th, your answer would be 214.5. That would be our final answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or like to see a specific topic, please leave a comment below. I offer tutoring services on wyzn.com. And I also offer lessons, worksheets, notes on Teachers Pay Teachers. I hope this lesson was helpful and thank you for joining me.